So now we'll discuss homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equation is of the form dy by dx is equal to fxy by gxy. This right hand side is such that if we put y is equal to vx, then the substituted after substitution this becomes function of v only, and this we write as fv. This becomes f of v under function of v, and this left hand side it is dy dx. So if y is equal to vx, then dy dx it is product, so dy dx is v is remains same and derivative of x is 1, and plus v derivative of v with respect to x is dv dx into x is remaining same. So it is v plus x dv dx. So this is x, this is v plus x dv dx, and this is equal to f of v. Right hand side is f of v, and after that this one v we take to right hand side. So this implies x dv dx is equal to f v minus v. This v we are taking to right hand side, and then we write dv by fv minus v. So this fv minus v we dividing by fv minus v, so this come to the left hand side, and this dx goes there, and this is dx by x. And what we are having, it is variables are separated, and then we integrate it and you get a solution. So these are example. So this is x square plus y square dx minus 2xy dy is equal to 0. So it is of the form, so like this. So if we write this one, we will have number 1 example is dy dx is equal to dy coefficient, it is 2xy, and it is x square plus y square coefficient of dx. So we are having this equation, it is of the form. So this one fxy, this is fxy is x square plus y square, and gxy it is 2xy. Now we are substituting y is equal to vx. So y is equal to vx. After substitution we get this as v plus x dv dx. dy dx is v plus x dv dx. Then this x square plus y square we will put y is equal to vx. So it is x square plus v square x square. Then this 2xy is 2x into y is vx. So it is 2vx square. X square goes out. So it is 1 plus v square by twice v. And we are making taking this v to right hand side, and this is 1 plus v square by twice v minus v. Then it is x dv dx. We are having this one. Then this we are dividing this 1 minus v square by 2v, take to left hand side, and this dv, then coefficient of dv becomes this becomes numerator, so it is 2v by 1 minus v square. 2v by 1 minus v square is coefficient of dv, and it is dx by x. Now variables are separated, and solution is now you just integrate, and integrating we have this one. So this 1 minus v square, So 1 minus v square, if we substitute this 1 minus v square, this is by right hand side is log x, and if we write 1 minus v square is equal to say z, then derivative of 1 minus v square is minus 2v dv is equal to dz. Then our integration is now substitution is now integration, denominator is z and numerator is minus dz. So in place of writing this z variable, we are writing 1 minus v square, and this is 1 minus v square, it is z, differential of z. And now we can have this integration, so it is minus log of z, means minus log of 1 minus v square, and right hand side is log x plus constant is log c, so that we can this remove this log and this becomes a product. So log of 1 minus v square we are taking to right hand side, then it is log x, this implies you can write log x plus log c plus log 1 minus v square is equal to 0. 0 means it is log 1. So remove all this log, this becomes product cx into 1 minus v square, and right hand side is 1. And then we are to this substitute v, because we are having the equation in terms of x and y, so we write v as y by x, because y is equal to xp, so v is equal to y by x, and this is the solution of the differential equation, this x square plus y square dx minus 2xy dy is equal to 0. Next example is number 2. So y square dx plus xy plus x square and multiplied by dy, and if we have this as, if we write this by as dy dx is equal to, right hand side is this y square by xy plus x square, so this is homogeneous, this is same degree 2, this is also same degree 2, and we can put now y is equal to vx, and after putting y is equal to vx, so it is v square x square, and this is x into y is vx, then x square, so this x square will go, and left hand side is dy dx is substituted as v plus x dv dx. So after cancellation it is becomes function of v alone. Now we put this v to right hand side, so x dv dx is minus v square by v plus 1 minus v, and after simplification it is denominator is v plus 1 and numerator is 2v square plus v, minus sign is there. Now we take this to left hand side, so this becomes v plus 1 by 2v square plus v, v plus 1 by 2v square by v, 2v square plus v, and dv is the coefficient, and this dx by x, this come to this one, and because it is minus, so after transferring to the same side, this becomes, sign becomes same, so it is plus this. Now variables are separated with dv only function of v, and with dx only function of x. Now we can have the solution. So variables are separated and solution is, now we have to integrate this one. So this is 2v square plus v, and this is v plus 1, this is simple, it is log x, and this one now we have to integrate this using method of partial fraction. So v plus 1 by 2v plus 1 into v, we are factorizing this, so it is first degree factors, v into 2v plus 1. Then if we write this as a by 2v plus 1 plus b by v, then this becomes, after simplification, numerator is a into v plus b into 2v plus 1, this one. Now this denominator is same, now we write v plus 1 is same as ab plus b into 2v plus 1, this one, and from this we find a and b. And we are writing v equal to 0, and after writing v equal to 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, so this is b into 1, it is b, and this is 1, so b is equal to 1. And if we write v equal to 1, then left hand side is, it is v is equal to 1, it is a, then b is 1, so it is 2 into 1 plus 1 is 3, so a plus 3 is equal to, left hand side is 1 plus 1 is 2, so a plus 3 is equal to 2, and so a is equal to minus 3 by, a is equal to, sorry, this is a is equal to, a is equal to minus 1, a is equal to minus 1. And let us check it. v plus 1 is equal to minus 1 into v plus 1 into 2v plus 1, and v plus 1 minus v, it is 2v, minus v, it is v, and plus 1, so a is equal to minus 1. Sorry, this is, I am writing wrong, it is actually, so this you write now, v plus 1 is a by, a is minus 1 by 2v plus 1 plus b is 1, b is 1 by v. So solution is now integration of, so integration of this v plus 1 by 2v square plus v dv is equal to, we will write in this one, this we have to write, in place of a we write minus 1, and in place of b we write 1, so it is minus 1 by 2v plus 1 dv plus integration of dv 1 by v, and this is equal to minus, it is half of log of 2v plus 1 plus log of v, and integration of log a, integration of 1 by x is log x, so this whole thing, this becomes so this integration is now, minus log of root over, half becomes root over, it is 2v plus 1 plus log v plus log x is equal to log of c, and we remove this log, so our left hand side after simplification, it is vx by root over 2v plus 1, 2v plus 1, and right hand side is c, log c, log of c. So this is now, this implies vx, in place of vx we can write y is equal to vx, so it is y, then root over 2 into v is y by x plus 1 is equal to c, or we can further simplify this, it is c, or y is equal to c into root over, it is 2y plus x divided by x, root of r is up to this. So this is the solution of the equation. Next one, it is same procedure. It is cubic. So dy dx is cubic. So numerator is x square y, denominator is x cube plus y cube. So it is cubic one. After substitution, this becomes x cube goes, it is p by p cube plus 1. This p to the power 4 minus p after simplification. So when p comes to right hand side, so it is p to the power 4 by p cube plus 1, and our separation of variable is like this: p to the power 4 goes as denominator and p cube plus 1 is in the numerator, and after simplification it is 1 by p and 1 by p to the power 4. Simple it is. So this is integration of p to the power 4, 1 by p to the power 4 is minus 4 by p cube, and then again we substitute this p as y by x. So this is the solution. And next is, it is first degree. So dy by dx, it is 2x minus y, it is first degree. Numerator is first degree, x and y is there, and denominator is also this. So put y is equal to px, and our this one is this. So 2 minus v by 4v plus 3. V we are taking to right hand side, this becomes again minus v. After simplification, it is this is new denominator is 4v plus 3 and numerator is 2 minus 4v minus 4v square. Then we take this to left hand side, so 4v plus 3 becomes numerator and this one is denominator. It is dx by x, and we see this, if we substitute 2 minus 4v minus 4v square as z, then derivative of this is minus 8v minus 4. So minus 8v minus 4, and we are having 4v plus 3, so it is 4v plus 3, we need to make it 8v minus 8v plus 4, so we are dividing by 2, so this is the derivative of this one, and only we do have 4v plus 3, so again we have to add this minus 4v minus 8v minus 8v plus 4. So this is like this. So we are substituting. We are substituting 2 minus 4v minus 4v square as z, then minus 4 minus 8v dv is equal to dz. So we need to make this 8v plus 4, but this 4v plus 3, so how will you get it? Minus half this is 8p minus 8p minus 4, so this is equal to 4v plus 2. So we need 1 plus 1, so that this is 3, this 4v plus 3. So after writing this, we are making this 1. So this part is here and this 1 is here. Now this is by substitution, so this becomes z, this is dz, and this we again by some other rule, so this is z, this is dz, half is here, so it is minus half, and this z, it is dz, so it is log of z, so log of 2 minus 4b minus 4b square. This part is done. Then next is we are making as a square minus x square form. So a square minus x square, it is of the this integration by this rule. This integration is by the rule integration d u by a square minus u square. So a square minus u square, so if it is u, we are to make another substitution. So this substitution is 1 plus twice v is equal to u, then 2 dv is equal to du. So 2 dv we are to write here, but we are only dv, no 2 here. So this is 2, we are to make it 2 dv, so we are multiplying by half, so that this becomes dv. So this part is equal now, so it is 2 dv, then 3 minus, this is u square, we are making this as u. Then this 3 is now a square means root over 3 whole square, and this integration, this is standard formula, this integration is 1 by 2a log of a plus a plus u by a minus a plus u by a minus u. So a is root over 3, u is 1 plus twice v, root over 3, 1 minus minus u, it is minus 1 minus twice v, this is log, and a is root over 3. So this is our, and this is the formula. So now we are to again we are to make this v as y by x. So it is 2 minus 4 into y by x minus 4, this v square is y by x whole square, and this is the result, this is the solution in terms of x and y. In this problem you see number 5, dy dx, it is not fxy by gxy, but it is of this form, so that if we write y is equal to vx, then this becomes function of v alone. So y is equal to vx, we write, this becomes v and this becomes cot v, so v plus cot v, and v goes out, so it is x dv dx is equal to cot v, then tan v dv is equal to dx by x, and solution is very simple, tan v dv, it is say this one, it is log of sec, then sec is sec of y by x, it is cx. So this is also same procedure, y is equal to vx, this becomes 3 minus 5b by v minus 3, again we are subtracting this v. After simplification, it is now this one, then this v minus 3 comes as numerator, this is in the denominator, again it is algebraic fraction, and this we are making just like the other previous one. Then x to the power 4, it is 4th degree, so 4th degree, it is x to the power 4 by x cube y plus y cube x, making this vx, this becomes 1 plus v by v cube, then we are subtracting v, then this becomes 1 minus v square minus v to the power 4 by v plus v cube. V plus v cube goes as numerator and this in the denominator. Then this what we have to do, this is 4v cube minus v minus 2v. So this is if we substitute this as z, then this is dz. So to make this equal, we again to add this fraction, and after adding this one, v by this one, so that we can make it equal, v minus v cube is equal to this fraction plus this fraction, and this is z, this is dz. Integration of this is now v by this, and how we'll do it, 1 minus v square by v to the power 4. It is done as sum of square. So this will come in terms of log, and this is again we are making it sum of square, so that we can substitute this v square as u, and v square is 2v, this is now du, and it is in the form 1 by a square minus x square. 1 by a square minus x square, it is log of 1 by twice a, then log of a plus x by a minus x. Again we substitute v as this we are applying, then we substitute again v as y by x, and this becomes function of xy. So this is the solution. So these are like this, same procedure. So this is another problem, this one. It is also y, if we put y is equal to vx, this becomes function of v alone, and we can this we can term as homogeneous equation. So this is the solution of this. This we can try, x square dy xy by, very simple it is. Next is equation reducible to homogeneous equation. It is of this form, dy dx is equal to, this is linear, ax plus by plus c, this is also abc, this is def, and two cases are there. One is these coefficients are proportional, and the other is coefficients are not proportional. So coefficient means a coefficient of x is a and d, so a by d. Coefficient of y is b and e, so it is b by e. And first we assume it is not equal. So not equal means we substitute it as x is equal to u plus h and y is equal to v plus k. We make this substitution, and we will have the unique solution h and k. And if they are proportional, then we write this ax plus by is substituted as z. So two cases are there. If they are not equal, we write x is equal to u plus h, y is equal to v plus k, and I will have some solution for hk. And in case they are equal, then it is substituted as ax plus by is substituted as z. So 3x minus, so this is one example. So it is 3 by 1 is not equal to 1 minus 1 by minus 2. So it is in the first case, they are not proportional. And we have we are substituting this one. Then x is equal to u plus h, y is equal to v plus k, and what we have, this is 3h minus k plus 1. So our equation, given equation, it is 3x minus y plus 1, and we are writing in place of x we write h, in place of y we write k, and this 3h minus k plus 1 equal to 0, and h minus 2k plus 7 equal to 0, and we are having the solution k is equal to 4, h is equal to 1. Well, we are solving these two equations, simultaneous equation. So solutions k equal to 4, h is equal to 1. And now we substitute. After getting h and k, we write x is equal to this u plus h and y is equal to v plus k. So our solution, our substitution is now x is equal to u plus 1 and y is equal to v plus 4. Then this is dv du. We write dy dx as dv du, and this we write 3u minus v, and this we write, in place of x we write u, and in place of y we write v, so it is 3u minus v, it is u minus twice v. So this is homogeneous equation. And again we write some w as v is equal to u w. Then dv du is equal to w plus u dw du. So as in the previous case we wrote y is equal to vx. Now we write v is equal to u into w in just as this. In the previous form it is v, and in our new form it is w, and x we write u, and y we write v. So that is why we will have this as function of w. So this is function of w, this function of w. So solution is now, so it is variables are separated, it is in terms of u and w. So our solution is this log of this. Now w we write u, v by u. Then we get this in terms of u and v. The equation is in terms of u and v, but we are to write in terms of x and y. So our substitution is u is equal to x minus 1, because our h is 1, solution of h is 1, and solution of k is 4. This is our substitution, x is equal to u plus h. So u is, we have to write x minus h is 1, so v is y minus k, and k is 4. So v is y minus 4, and we are writing this v as y minus 4, u as x minus 1, and it is the solution in terms of x and y. Next one is, so here we see 2 by 4, coefficients are 2 and 4, so it is 2 by 4, it is 3 by 7, they are not proportional, and we are substituting x is equal to u plus h, y is equal to v plus k, so that dv du is equal to dy dx, and this 2i6 plus 3y minus 3 by 4x plus 7y minus 5 as 2u plus 3v by 4u plus 7v, and because it is 0, so and solve how we are making it. This is h and k, our solutions are k is minus 1 and h is equal to 3. Now we solve this equation, this part we solve. dv du is equal to 2u plus 3v by 4u plus 7v. So this is homogeneous equation. We substituting v is equal to uw, then dv du is w plus u dw du, and this is uw, this becomes functions of w only. Then this is the right hand side is w, only w. Then this to 4 plus 7w comes as numerator. 2 minus w minus 7, this is denominator, this is du by u. Then solution is integration of this one. So right hand side is log u and left hand side is, it is algebraic fraction, and algebraic fraction it is this first we find the derivative of this is minus 14w minus 1 we have to make here, so that we can, if we substitute this as z, this becomes dz, and to make this equal we have to add this one. So this plus this is a this fraction, so it is 7 by 2. So this is this in the form dz by z, so it is log of this part, this is log of z. If we write this as z, this is log of this, and this is again we have to make sum of square. So sum of square it is log of it is in the form a square plus b square. So it is a square minus x square form. Then a square minus, so this is in the a square minus x square form. It is again log of that one we did in the previous case. So it is integration of dx d what we will write, dz by it is a square minus z square. So it is 1 by 2a, then log of a plus z by, so it is, if we write this as z, this is a plus z by a minus z. Then p by u we have to write in terms of x and y. So solution is this one. So this is of the form reducible to homogeneous equation. This is also reducible to, it is u plus v by u plus h p plus k, because they are not proportional. Next it is homogeneous equation. Solution is this one, substituting this. So same, these are same, and this is also not proportional. It is 1 by 2, this is 4 by 3, not proportional. Next is, let us see some proportional one. This is also 1 by 3, 1 by minus 5, not proportional. So u v, then p is equal to uw, same procedure. Next we see it is 2 by 6, it is minus 4 by minus 12, so they are proportional. 1 by 3, proportion is 1 by 3. And now we substitute 2x minus 4y as z. This implies so 2x minus 4y is z. So derivative of 2x is 2, derivative of minus 4y is minus 4 dy dx, and right hand side is dz dx. With respect to x we are taking derivative, and this implies dy dx. We have to substitute dy dx in terms of z. So it is dy dx is, after simplification, it is 1 by 4 2 minus dz dx, and in place of dy dx we have to write dz dx, and right hand side is this one. Then after simplification we get dz dx as, right hand side is function of z. Then it is separation of variable is there, we are variable separated, so we are integrating this one. So right hand side is only x will come, and left hand side is this thing we have to integrate. We are having this one, and getting in terms of z, we write in place of z again this variable 2x minus 4y. So this is the solution. This is also same, x plus 2y, this is 1 by 2, this is also 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. So they are proportional, and we are substituting x plus 2y as z, and so that we are having derivative of x is 1, derivative of 2y is 2 dy dx, this right hand side is dz dx. So after simplification dy dx is equal to, so in terms of dz dx we have to write, say this one, then dz dx is, and this is separate, variables are separated, and we are now solving this one. So after getting in terms of z, we again substitute z is equal to x plus 2y. This is x plus 2y. This is 2z means 2x plus 4y. So this is the procedure of solving homogeneous and reducible to homogeneous equation. Same thing. 9. This is also 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3. Same proportion. So these are the exercise we can try. You can try this. This is not proportional. 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 This is also not proportional. This is 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 proportional. Okay, thank you.